What you know about Mannish Water? So we got some goat head, foot, and some belly. I talk about tripe. So the goat meat have the skin on it, a piece of foot. Time to make some soup. A rolling boil till the meat is like half cooked. Now let's check this out. It's time to add our provisions. We got some green bananas with the skin on. We got some yellow yam. We're cutting these into some big chunks, kind of like how we got them here. And then, if you're Jamaican, this is a Malanga Coco. But if you're Hispanic, we call it Malanga Lila. You heard? Let's go. Now we're going to reduce the heat to medium heat. And we're going to let that cook for another hour. We want that provisions to cook. And then we want that meat to finish cooking. Then we work on seasoning the pot. Time for some dumplings. One question. You want spinners or flatters? How we make a flat dumpling? I like to roll it in a ball. And we're going to tie it together. That flat. If you want spinners, that's it. Time to season the pot. We got garlic, thyme, scallion, pepper. We have the rum goat soup mix, cock soup, pimento, need salt, some of my Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now we'll make with taste. Oh yeah, yard man thing. Now what time for the pot simmer? In about 30 minutes, soup ready for shell.